How do you clean an old slate floor? If you're wondering how to clean an old slate floor, you're not alone. Cleaning older slate floors can be challenging, depending on the quality and age of the flooring. Here are a few tips for cleaning older slate floors. It's important to note that cleaning slate is not as simple as sweeping soil away. To keep your slate floor looking new, use a pH-neutral slate cleaner. With older slate, there may be issues. Hard to remove sealer residues. Flaking and delamination. Chips, damage and grout issues. After cleaning, you can apply sealant. Slate can be sealed with a range of sealants. Color enhancing, impregnating sealer, acrylic topical sealer and hybrid, urethane sealer. Scratches and stains on slate may still appear after cleaning with a detergent. You may need to use solvent stain removers to remove oil stains. Specialist acid or alkali cleaners to remove inorganic stains. Be sure to follow the directions of the cleaning product to prevent damage. Do not use a steam mop to remove stains. Steam mops can cause damage and are not as effective as a damp microfiber mop. Do you have an old slate floor that needs cleaning? Contact Abbey Floor Care. 0800 695 0180